In today's era, the COVID 19 situation, lack of fresh air and oxygen has led to numerous amounts of deaths. Priva would be the right choice to live in a healthy environment and it would be a true value for your money. Air purifiers are electronic machines that work to make indoor air clean and breathable. Air purifiers are good for those who smoke, have pets, people who are allergic, and those who want to breathe clean air. It's a very good thing for young children, mainly kids and teens. There's a good chance that you have heard of air purifiers before. If not, these are electronic machines. The goal of these machines is to make the indoor polluted air clean. This is often done with filters and collection grids. These filters and collection grids trap bacteria and air particles and prevent them from circulating inside your house. Clean air is very important for all of us. However, it's the most important for young children and kids. If the air inside your house or your child's room is unhealthy, whether it is due to smoking, pets, or lack of fresh air, do you know the impact it will have on your children's health? Smoking, pets' hair, and lack of fresh air have been known to cause numerous numbers of health problems, which may even include asthma. Breva Air Purifier restores fresh and healthy air, captures 99.97% of the allergens and pollutants. Breathe and feel better in your house. Breva can effectively break down pollutants on a molecular level and destroy harmful particles, microbes, and molds. It also captures up to 99.97 allergens and pollutants with an effective purification technology. Connect to voice assistants such as Google Assistant and Alexa to remotely control Breva as you go about your daily routine, whether you are at work, shopping, or taking a walk. You can easily control Breva via the TCL Home app. At the touch of a button, air quality can be adjusted in real time and you can come home to fresh air every time.